Hare Krishna everyone. Are you craving for some street food? Because I am. So grab your ingredient and let's make Paneer Kathi Roll. Kathi Roll is a tasty, flavorful Indian street food that is perfect for lunchbox. First, we will marinate the paneer. Take a pot, add some oil. After that, add Kashmiri lal mirch and whisk it for a better color. Add cumin and coriander powder, salt to the oil. Whisk in some curd to make a smooth marinade. Add ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add the paneer cube into the mixture and toss well to coat. Marinate at least for 10 to 15 minutes. And as an international student in Australia, I worked in a restaurant where I first tasted this dish, Kathi Roll, and paneer is my favorite, so yes, it was very yummy. It has become my go-to recipe for my tiffin. It is easy and super flavorful. I even made a version of it with a simple paratha so I can make it quickly. Now heat oil in a pan. Fry the marinated paneer until crispy and golden brown. After that, add chopped onion, capsicum to the pan and saute until well fried. Now we will take a paratha, spread tomato ketchup on it, add fried paneer with capsicum and onion on top, and please ignore my roti making skill. Sprinkle some black pepper and drizzle with peri sauce or any sauce of your choice. Roll it up tightly in a foil for easy handling, and please ignore my rolling up skill. Serve it warm and enjoy your paneer kathi roll, perfect for tiffin, lunch or dinner. Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.